This fall, let your beauty reach beyond the stars. With shimmering accents that create bright cosmic looks. Introducing the Galaxy Collection from Artistry.
To me, the Galaxy Collection is all about looking into the future. It's about dreaming. It's all about being able to express yourself.
This is a culmination of many trends that I've seen over the last few years. Women are still wearing a smoky eye, but they're adding a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of color to it. The wonderful thing about this collection is that it's versatile. You can go from a very natural look and then you can layer on these shadows to create a very dramatic smoky look. The key is make it your own. It's not about perfection. It's about getting the look that's right for you.
For the Galaxy Collection, we are really concentrating on beautiful purples, plums and browns, and it's a hint of color, which is very in right now, and it's just an exciting palette.
First, I want to talk about the illuminating powder. 2 shades in a sleek compact. You can use these shades together to add color to the skin, to warm the skin up, or what's genius is you can use them separately. The sandalwood shade to sculpt and define, and the pink coral shade to add a pop of color. And the eyeshadow quad, 4 beautiful shades. Maroon brown, a beautiful plum, a black, and a neutral shade. Now you can use these to create a natural wash of color, or you can use them to build up a dramatic smoky eye. And to finish the look, dual-ended lip glosses, one in a sheer